Bobby Gonzalez, and I've been working here for 2 months. I'm a customer service rep. I come in and then I have to see if the installers leave. Then I call all the clients, let them know, hey, the installers are on their way, so they know to have their house ready. Then I do like customer service. Anytime somebody calls and wants to book an appointment or has any questions on their bills or anything like that, pretty much. And then as the day goes on, it's just always making sure the customers are getting what they need. I was a clerk at a warehouse in Carson. I pretty much kind of customer service, but with our clients, there was only one. Where here we're dealing with, it's a brand new client every single day. But it's a little bit busier, which I like. I like fast pace, so always being on my toes. So I really like that. So when COVID hit, I was there for a little bit, but then I had to take some time off because I had kids. And then when I called back for my position, they had me for another schedule, and I can't do night times. So my friend Christina, who works here, she was like, they're hiring at my job if you want to come check it out. So when she told me about it, I was like, all right, I'll check it out. As soon as I got the position, I really liked it. I was just like, okay, like everybody was really nice, everybody was friendly, and then just the job itself was really fast paced, and I just really liked it. I enjoyed it. Training was good. We had, it was really like one-on-one. So like that's what I like. So it was like if I was working on something, then I'd work on it, and then it'd be with somebody else who did that, and then I'd work on it. So I caught on pretty fast. Yeah, I wasn't thrown like everywhere, so that's what I kind of liked. The communication was really good. If I have a question, I never feel like scared to ask a question. Or normally jobs, you kind of like fear your bosses. Here, the bosses are very friendly, like, okay, let's work this out. We're gonna work this out together. So that's pretty cool. I do believe there's growth there, yeah. Because they kind of like, what I like is they do like, it's like you don't only have one position. You kind of get to know everybody's position. So that's what I kind of like. So you don't only know one thing, you kind of know everybody's.